I'm standing with the one and only Audra McDonald. Audra, congratulations.
Thank you.
How do you feel being back at the Tonys tonight?
I'm thrilled to be here. It's so much fun. I'm so proud of everybody, and it's so nice to see us all clean. You know, we're never really clean in the theater, so we're all clean and having a good time and celebrating Broadway, which is, you know, it's what I love.
Audra, I was with you on opening night. I told you then, I'm going to say it again on live TV, what you do with your voice to craft this woman on that stage, you bring her back. I mean, how do you do it?
You know, it's been a year and a half of really studying, really hard, and just listening to her every single day. I listen to her every day.
Now, you just told me off camera, you're not performing tonight.
No,
you get to say, so what are you doing on the show?
I'm going to present a category I'm very excited about presenting. So, yeah, I get to do that. But then other than that, I get to be with my mom and my daughter and my husband, who's going to perform any minute now.
All right. I just asked Sutton Foster, you know, she's been here a few times,
Yes,
picked up a few awards. You've been here a few times, picked up 5 awards. In fact, you tie Angela Lansbury and Julie Harris. And I think you're going to make history tonight, but I'm not jinxing anything. Okay, we'll ignore that.
My money's on Cherry.
All right. But, you know, what's this like coming to the Tonys? I mean, there's a lot going into this, your prep work and doing the show.
Yeah, you know what? But by the time we actually get to the Tonys itself, there's nothing we can do. You know, it's all been, you know, votes tallied, all said and done. The only thing you can do is just try and relax and have a great time and celebrate the fact that all of America is getting a chance to sort of focus on theater for the night, you know? And then all these Broadway shows, people, you know, all across the country are going to get to see what we're doing here 8 times a week. And that is thrilling to me. So.
I love it. Talk to me about, you know, being part of this theater family. Your husband, Will Swenson, playing Javert in Les Mis. I mean, what's that like? You're raising a family, a beautiful family. You guys got married not too long ago. I mean, what's that like being part of this theater family?
It's a brilliant. We're very lucky, and it's an exciting thing. It's a lot of moving parts. You know, sometimes we feel like a CEO of a company. The way we're trying to, like, you get this one, I'll go get this one, and where is the dog and all that stuff. But we're so blessed to be doing what we love. So, you know, it never really feels like we're going to work.
I have to ask, you do, I think, 15 numbers in your show in Lady Day at Emerson's Bar and Grill.
Well, it's actually about 12 numbers, 6 of which I actually finish, 6 I don't finish.
Do you have a favorite number that you get to sing of hers?
Yeah, What a Little Moonlight Can Do, because that's when she's at her happiest.
Amazing. I love your co-star, Little Pepe. You know, what's it like sharing the stage with him?
Well, Roxy, because actually she plays Pepe, but Roxy's actually a girl, so it's gender bending there.
All right.
It's hysterical. I love being with her. Tonight, I gave her some treats right before we went on stage, and I thought she chewed them all, and then as soon as I got on stage, she started chewing again. I realized she'd saved a little bit till she got in front of the audience, just chomping and chomping. So they loved her, and we're like, Billy, let her chew. You know?
I love it. Well, good luck tonight, Audra. It's so great seeing you as always.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.